It is not enough to say that you take your Amazon KDP business seriously this year. It is not enough for you to say that you want to start earning in dollars, yet you don't even have the right tools. And the good thing is that these Amazon KDP tools, they are actually free. They are free Chrome extensions that will make you find the right title to write on, that will make you sell your books, that will make you know how to price your book, and so many things. These tools are all free, like I rightly said. So guys, in this video, I'll be showing you some free Chrome extensions that you as a creator, you as a writer on Amazon KDP should use in order for your books to be visible. Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If this sounds interesting to you, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly like this video, kindly drop a comment, kindly share my videos, let other persons see my channel through you. Now that you have done that, let us move over. Let me show you this free Chrome extensions. Okay, let's continue. At this point, go to your Play Store, look for Kiwi browser. Here is the app. Once you look for it, you download it. Kiwi browser is very important. After downloading it, once you open it, you will type AMS Suggestion Expander. Once you type that, it will pop up. I already have it in my Kiwi browser. That is why it is telling me to remove from Chrome. But do not worry. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to uninstall some of my free Chrome extensions so that I will install them again and show you what to do. So that's what I'm going to do. At this point, the next one we are going to install is one thing about this Kiwi browser is this: if it gives you challenges, just close it and open it again. So the next one we are going to install is DS Amazon Quick View. DS Amazon Quick View. So that's the next one we are going to install. Look at it here. It is the first one. It is the first one here. So look at it. I'm going to zoom for you to see. It will tell me to add to Chrome. Yeah, it's telling me to add to Chrome now. So once you click on add to Chrome, it will bring up a message. You click OK. It's telling me to remove from Chrome now, meaning that I have successfully installed it. So for you to know if you have successfully installed these free Chrome extensions, it will tell you remove from Chrome. One thing about Amazon Kindle, Amazon KDP is this: it is not like content writing. It is not like other kinds of writing that once you're done writing, that's when you now look for title. It is actually different. It is different in the sense that before you start writing, you need to have your title handy. You need to know if your title is going to be profitable or not. You need to know if your title will make sales or not. So it's not after you are done writing, that's when you now be like, what should be the title of this book? If you do it like that, you're not going to make sales. No, you won't. You won't make sales at all. You won't make sales at all. So at this point, the next one we are going to install is Titan Quick View Amazon Niche Finder. Titan Quick View Amazon Niche Finder. It is actually the second one. Look at it here. So it will show add to Chrome now. Once you click on add to Chrome, I've clicked on it. Look at add to Chrome. Let me see if I can zoom. Look at add to Chrome. Once you click on it, you click OK. Once you click OK, it will tell you to remove from Chrome. That's when you will know that you have successfully install the free Chrome extension. These free Chrome extensions are very, very important. Very, very important. You must install it in your Kiwi browser, most especially if you are using phone. Look at it here. This particular one, this Titan Quick View Amazon Niche Finder is going to tell you to create an account with them. So you need to sign up with them. You need to sign up with them. It's very, very important. It is very, very important. Please do not skip any of these free Chrome extensions. Try as much as you can to install them. The next one you're going to install is product for Mage by Amazon. products for Mage by Amazon. It is the first one here. So once you click on it, just very simple, once you click on it, you see add to Chrome. You click add to Chrome. That's how you add all of them. So what I will do for you is this. They are about 5 or so. I am going to write them out, paste it in our Telegram channel, so that you can confirm one after the other. Maybe you should write it out. Anyone you install, you tick it. Ensure you install all of them, so that it will give you the result that you want. If you do not install them, it means you'll be wasting your time, because this is the foundation. If you don't get it right at this point, you'll be writing a book. You end up writing books that will not sell. So this is the foundation. You have to ensure that you install all of them, and before you minimize or before you go out, ensure that it has told you to remove from Chrome. That's one of the ways that you will know that you have successfully installed the free Chrome extension. So the next one we are going to install now is Amazon BSR and rating. This one is extremely important. This is the one that will tell you the best-selling books and all of that. If all of them are important, don't skip any of them. Don't just skip any of them. They are very, very important. In the next video, I am going to show you how to check for profitable titles. So that's what I'm going to show you in the next video using this Kiwi browser. So that's what I'm going to show you next. So at this point, when you're done, you can close your Kiwi browser, open it again. Once you open it, you type amazon.com. You can close it, open it again, you type amazon.com on your Kiwi browser. You type amazon.com. Once you type amazon.com, it will take you to your page. It will take you to your account. Once you type that, see, it has taken me to my account. So once you type, always ensure you put it in desktop site. You click on these three dots by the right hand side. Once you click on it, you put your phone in desktop site, so that you have access to all the features. And look at one thing, deliver to Nigeria. That should be the first thing you should check. Always change it anytime you are making any research on Kiwi browser. Ensure that if it shows deliver to Nigeria, ensure that you change it to UK. It should be in New York. So it is very simple. I've already taught you how to do that. That should be the first thing your eyes should come to. And also, beside this deliver to New York, you will see all. When you're making research, ensure that it is in all. Let me see if I can zoom in. Look at all here. Look at all. Close to the search bar. Ensure that it is in it is in all. If it is in Kindle, change it to all. So look at list of books here. Look at list of books. Before now, you will see new releases. You click on that new releases. Once you click on the new releases, it will bring out all these. It will bring out all of these. You will see books. You click on books. Once you see books, look at list of books. The three niches that sells is health, fitness, finance, and relationship. Health, finance, and relationship. Those are the evergreen niches that if you create books on, you will be able to make sales. So now you're going to niche down. We already clicked on book. We clicked on health, fitness, and dieting. So now we are going to niche down. When as a newbie, you need to niche down. Now I clicked on diet and weight loss. So I'm still going to click on something else. You niche down to the last. You niche down. You ensure you niche down to the last, so that you will get profitable titles. So the next one I've clicked on now. The next one I clicked on is low carb. So you continue to niche down, Now the next one I've clicked on is low fat. So this is the last of it all. If you don't niche down, you're going to have too many competitions. So you need to niche down to the very last, so that you find books that are not that the competition is not very high. If the competition of a book is very, very high, you will not make sales. You won't make sales at all. So the competition of the book the title you want to write a book on should be very low, so that you'll be able to write books on it. So look at books titles. You just look at them, you go through them. Anyone that you can easily understand by the title, that's the book you're going to click on. You just go through them. One bonus I will give to you is this. I'm going to give you list of evergreen topics, so that you will not waste so much time sitting down to check on a particular title to write on. So all you need to do is you just click on the title. Once you click on the title, you take it to your Kiwi browser, and it will tell you it is profitable or not. So using this particular method, once you see a book that you understand, you click on the book. Once you click on the book, what you're going to do is this: you only copy the title of the book. Once you copy the title of the book, look at I've copied the title now. You put it in the search bar. Once you put it in the search bar, look at this place is showing Kindle. Ensure that yours is showing all. This place is showing Kindle store. Ensure that yours is showing all, and the other place is showing delivered to the UK. So look at this place should show delivered to New York. It should show like this, delivered to New York. So you see all these titles that Amazon has suggested. This is how you choose your topic. You can click on any of them. Look at titles that Amazon has suggested, as I wrote this particular one. So this is how to model a book. You click on someone's book. Once you click on someone's book, you pick the title. Once you pick the title, you place it on your Kiwi browser. Once you place it like this, Amazon will bring out list of other books for you. Once Amazon brings out list of other books for you, you can click on any of those lists that Amazon will bring for you. So that means that people are looking for books. Those are the list of books that people are recently looking for. So that is how to model a book. So now you see here that the result is showing 10,000. Is showing 10,000. It means the competition is very high. So you need to run. Don't even waste your time. Don't waste your time to publish a book that the competition is very, very high. Look at plant-based cookbook. Look at suggested topics. This one is, so if I'm writing a book on this plant-based cookbook for beginners, once you keep your cursor button at the end of beginning, you see plant-based cookbook for beginners. Wait, let it adjust. You see the topic I wrote here is plant-based cookbook for beginners. At the end of that beginners, if you place your cursor button there, Amazon is going to bring out list of books that people are searching for. Look at what I mean. Plant-based. If you place your cursor at the end of that beginners, Amazon will bring out list of other titles that people are looking for. Look at the keywords. So if you're writing a book now, you can make use of these keywords. You can take 7 of them for your backend keywords, but this one is actually stressful. I'm going to show you the easiest way for you to get seven backend keywords. So you see now, I ended up checking another book. The competition here is 2,000.